What's good, guys? Superman Blue here. Happy Halloween, everybody. I'm stacking up these crystals, but I'm gonna be opening these Grandmaster Monster and Hunter crystals on Halloween and hoping to break the curse of not having a 5-star blade. Now, if I do pull them, I'm most likely not gonna rank them up, but it's been a long time and a lot of featured crystals, millions of 5-star shards spent trying to get this guy way back when, and still nothing. So I got my lucky units here from Gonzo the Grim. Go check them out, and I'm gonna go for it. So wish me luck, guys. Now I'm not gonna spend them all. I'm gonna spend probably half and then pop half, something like that. See like a million 3-stars as usual. Okay, I'll take that. I mean, I already got them duped. I don't even know what this is gonna take them to. All right, 100, but it's a 5-star. Can't be mad at that. But can I pull the 5-star blade? That's the real question, fellas and ladies. Okay, I'll take a 4-star out of these. Is this blade? Could this be? Is it possible to happen? No. Okay. She's R5, so I'll definitely take the extra 6 on her. Elsa's super dope. I was gonna say wrong blade, but I didn't even get that one. Come on. Alright. I'm gonna spin one more, and then I'm gonna pop the last 7. Hopefully that's a lucky 7. And of course, mystery. Would have been cool to get some extra 6 on my 5-star. Come on, 5-star blade. Oh, I duped Tigra. Eh, 4-star blade. But hey, I duped Tigra. I pulled and I duped these two. So that's actually not bad of uh batch of 15. Especially from these, there's no 6-stars in it, and huge 3-star percentage. So to get 3 good 5-star dupes, I'm actually content with that. I'm happy with that. Uh, would have been really great to break my blade curse, but it's all good. Um, Happy Halloween, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for a lot more great openings, some gameplay, and all that good stuff. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that good stuff. Much appreciated, guys. Take care and enjoy your night.